New York City. You step out, look up, and freeze. Above Times Square, moon fills half the sky, a glowing, cracked giant, 300x larger than you've ever seen. The buildings shrink under its presence. Traffic halts. Birds scatter. Children cry. Everyone stares up, speechless. It's not just close. It's impossibly close. You can feel its pull, your body lighter, the air strange. And suddenly, a terrifying thought hits. What happens when this thing falls? What about the cities, the oceans, the animals, you? Could the moon really hit Earth? Scientists say it's locked in orbit. But what if something changed? Perhaps a cosmic collision knocked it off path, or a powerful gravitational force, like a rogue planet or failed wormhole experiment, pulled it closer. Even a small shift in the moon's orbit would trigger unstoppable descent. The moon, once Earth's loyal companion, now becomes a falling titan. This won't be a simple impact. It will be a slow apocalypse. Long before the collision, the moon's gravitational pull would unleash hell on Earth. Tides would rise hundreds of meters high, turning coastlines into oceans. Entire cities, Tokyo, Mumbai, New York, would be devoured like krill in the mouth of a blue whale. Bridges collapse. Skyscrapers tilt as Earth's crust deforms. The oceans boil with friction, and the skies fill with electrical storms. The moon's approach alone could shatter civilization, even before it touches the ground. For animals, this isn't just disaster, it's biological confusion. Birds, who use magnetic fields and moonlight to migrate, spiral in chaotic circles. Whales beach themselves, unable to navigate changing tides. Insects swarm in frenzied patterns, confused by the bright, constant lunar light. Nocturnal creatures lose the night. Diurnal creatures lose the day. Predators roam confused forests. Prey animals panic. Ecosystems unravel within hours. Even underground life feels the shift as gravitational stress distorts underground burrows and nests. The natural world collapses, not by fire, but by cosmic disorientation. The moon finally makes contact. It doesn't land. It erupts into Earth like a mountain-sized bomb. The force is beyond nuclear. Crust breaks. Continents rip. Lava bleeds from Earth's core. Then comes silence, for a few seconds. But Earth isn't dead, it's wounded and shaking. Aftershocks ripple across the globe for days. Volcanoes erupt nonstop. Earthquakes become daily events. Tsunamis circle the planet. And the sky, ash-filled, black. The sun disappears behind a curtain of dust. The world doesn't just end. It rewrites itself, geologically, atmospherically, and biologically.